So here is the second part of my handle activity for the Wapa. Good. The first thing that I do is I want to disconnect the old wire. It's fixed here with the first bolt. Yes. Okay, careful, careful. And here with the second bolt. Okay, we take this also out. Okay. Good. Here we later need the contact between the cable that we are installing and this primary winding. Okay. Here is the cable that I am using. First, let's see how much I need. I push the fabric a little bit back and then I open the cable with this thing here. Very helpful for me. It's a good tool. So we have 3 strands, but we only need 2. So I cut the green and yellow strand. I cut it off. Okay. Then this is what I like to do. I want to burn the fabric a little bit because it's difficult to cut it. Okay. Good. Here. My next step is I've got some shrinking wire that I am pushing over this cable because I don't want this cable to get damaged by using the device. So, and here is my heat cannon, my heat pistol, and now I'm shrinking the wire, and the idea is to protect the fabric of this nice pretty cable. So do it like this. Okay. That's a very relaxing activity. You don't have to do anything, but the magic happens. Okay. Here. Yes. So this looks good. What I always do, I always forget to use this part, and now at this point of the rewiring we are pushing this over the cable. Now I want to make the connection. I'm using my tool here and de-isolate the cable. Okay. So good. You can see everything, hopefully, yes. Okay. Now I'm doing this here. This is what I want to have, and I'm doing the same thing on the other side. Okay, now we have this. The idea is now to fix. You also can solder this connection. I don't do this here because I'm a little bit lazy. Okay, but this also works. So, and you see, we here have the connection number 1. You see? Okay. And now we are doing the connection number 2. Okay. Just like this. Okay. Looks good. So, good. You see, we replaced the cable now. And now we push carefully this coil back where it needs to be. And then we also bring back the top of the handle. Just to check if the coil is good, has a good place inside, and it is pretty okay. I saw that here we need some more shrinking. So, and this is the handle of the Wapa.